guys, my name is Cristobal and I'm a third year student and my course is Business Administration major in Financial Management. So another video that I will have is how to invest in Philippine stock market. This serves as a vlog, then activity in capital market as my subject. And before I start, I will have a credit in this link, and so I will say how to invest in Philippine stock market for beginners. And this is a 2021 guide how to invest in Philippine stock market. Tips, tricks, stock picks, recommendations, and free online lessons and tutorials for beginners. If you are a beginner in the Philippine stock market, totally blank and clueless about the stock market and investing the Philippine Stock Exchange or PSE, or an already investor but looking for to have a practical understanding of investing and in the Philippine stock market, then this definitely page is for you. So here we'll finally able to nail the basics and essentials of how start investing in the Philippine stock market, even if you have zero experience. So the goal is to give you a little information as a possible you can start quickly but never really careless. So little info lang, because I want you to avoid information's overload which frustrates newbies that stop from taking the first step. Time is your best ally when it becomes to investing, to making sure that you start a possible of utmost importance of for you. With this said, you can download our quick start guide to investing in the Philippine stock market PDF for beginners. Here, it's the summary of this page. So, this is the link. So, let's begin. In this page. So, in this page, expect that you'll be able to confidently start and do first ever step as a beginner in the Philippine stock market world. You'll also access to various tool resources that will equip and help you as more you go along financial journey to your investing. You'll learn where you can get your personal support group to cheer up, holding your hands. You're just starting investing and shortening your learning curve. And lastly, more importantly, you'll have a sound mindset that will keep pushing, inspiring, and that is far more rewarding than any profit you can get in the stock market. Why focus on mindset? Why? Because maniwala ka o hindi, your money problem is 90% mind problems. And soon, you'll realize that investing in the Philippine stock market's exchange has also to do with controlling these minds. So note, what follows are my actual first-hand experiences when I starting in this stocks investing thing, and close in green boxes like this one. On what I have learned so far with some links to simple tutorials for beginners to help you start your investing journey in Philippine stock market. And in case you have other questions on each of those steps, just like let me know the comments below. Just comment on this section. Then Just like starting anew in anything, my clueless personality made all the moves for me in a wide, vast field of unknown. All I had to hold was my master dream of financial freedom and belief that stock investing might be a path that dream. I managed to cut the chase and apply for an account. Step 1. Assuming, assuming, wag assumera, pero kailangan mong mag-assuming dito. Assuming you've learned the basics of financial planning and decided to go into the directly investing in Philippine stock market. The first step you need to do is open a stock trading account. So, kung wala kang account, edi wala. Wala mangyayari sa'yo. Wala mangyayari sa atin, guys. So, this trading account is the one you're going to use actually buy and sell stocks or share of Philippine companies. For beginners, I recommend opening an online account trading account because of the convenience if compared of traditional broker. Unlike using traditional broker, which is the practice before you have to call your live broker to place orders in your behalf, having an online trading account allow you to do same on your internet connected computer, mobile screen, on your own, anytime and anywhere, even you're outside in the Philippines. So, opening an online trading account is just like opening a regular bank account. Think of your payroll ATM. All you have to do is to go to the website of your preferred online broker, read the account, opening instruction, download all the forms, print and fill them out, and submit it together with other requirements to their office. After submission, you just wait within 2 to 3 days. This email confirming that your trading account is ready for the step 2, which is funding it. The good news is recently, as much March 2020, brokers like Call Financial, BDO Nomoru, and First Metro Securities now allow online registration online. This sign-up option is available to everyone and best for OFWs abroad who want to invest in the Philippines even if you're outside the country. So, you can check here a simple tutorial on completing this online registration to open your account on Call Financial, formerly and Citical as an online broker. So, my first purchase in Philippine stock market or PhilStock was my first online broker precisely because it was the one I initially found out that the net that required only 5,000 initial deposit to actually start trading. At the present, I'm happy as a loyal client of Call Financial. So, loyal. The minimum investment requires then was 5,000 pesos. Minimum 5,000. But I put down 10K just to put front that I had more than the minimum. Pride, I guess, haha. The lady in charge gracefully accepted it after examining my forms and then handed me an official receipt, which was also the highest valued receipt I received ever since. With my humble 10K initial investment, I was too excited to buy a company share and brand myself a part owner of a giant company. Hardcore traders would laugh at me for that, but I was already more than happy just giving it a try. So step 2, after opening your online trading account and receiving an email confirmation from your chosen online broker, firm that your account is ready, the next thing you need to do is to fund your account. You can actually do this during your account opening in their office by making an initial deposit just like what I did above you also have the option to postpone this and just do the funding after you've received their email confirmation containing your account details. This email will include your account number will you'll use in your funding your account step. Note that your initial deposit already forms part of your investments, which you can use to buy your first stock. Funding your trading account works via merchant payment through a bank, BPI, BDO, Metrobank. If you're aware of paying utility bills, Iselco, mobile plan, through banks merchants payments that exactly it, with the difference that you use your trading account details given to you by your broker through your email. So, example taken from the online broker called Financial website is shown below for manual deposit. This one. So, what I recommend through is the more convenient option is doing merchant payment online with bank's online system. Example via BPI Express Online as below. Here. So, this one. Beginner's luck. Now, I'm not sure if those consecutive agains is just they call beginner's luck. But that's great performance really caught my interest in stock market. As a vehicle to achieving some of my goals, at this point, it would be careless of me if I would not mention the fact that even though I earned during my first days in the market, remember that the risk of losing money will always be there. And so it's more important that be carried away by the returns mentioned above and balance your view with the risk always involved. My current investing strategy, so fast forward tayo. Now I'm still learning and earning. In fact, many times I get surprised when I check my email and be noticed by the money being added into my account as dividends I receive as an investor without doing any active work except to invest in the sample below. Just be dividend payout alone already beats the earning from the bank's savings account interest. A dividend is a payment made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually as a distributor of profits. You'll learn more about this in the lesson below of call. One way of making money in the stock market is through dividends. As I mentioned above, I primarily use the strategic average method or SAM. This is strategic averaging method, which has removed all the stress in all my investing decision. I believe, charot. I believe it's the easiest way of growing and one's wealth through the stock market in the long term. So here's an example again. And looking back, I realized I was very lucky I started doing this early in my life. At least, may napapala ako for investments. Kahit papano in many years of working without so much analysis. Kasi, dahil sa bago pa lang ito sa akin. That's why I can enjoy my present life without worrying or sacrificing my financial future. Many people I've met through this blog actually showed so much regret on their late entry in preparing for their financial future. And this one of the reasons why I started this blog. To pay it forward, I shared all my learning, mistakes included, in this blog from the point I started investing with zero knowledge. So, enjoy reading the rest of this. No. Enjoy listening the video channel of mine. share your questions, comments below. If you have also subscribe in the form below, subscribe my channel. Then below, so you can get the latest post in this site straight in your email. I will email you. Yeah. You can also stop muna at this point and ponder how investing in Philippine stock market, or you can learn more about Philippine stock market before you can invest. May help you in achieving some of your financial goals. Before, kung nagmamadali ka naman talaga, watch the short introductory video and where those summarizes the basic you need to know and to do actually start investing in Philippine stock market. And after watching, just follow the suggestion outlined below for more guidelines para hindi ka malito. So, another sasabihin ko lang is be a strategic investor. Are you an investor or a trader? The easy way of investing, you can start with another easy way of investing yet profitable. Things you'll need to buy your first stock. You'll need a stockbroker. How to choose your best stockbroker. You need a cash. Yes, di mawawala, pera. How much you'll need to buy your first stock. You need to save your first investment or your investments. Enjoy the journey, have fun investing. At this point, I want to say welcome to the Philippine stock market. And again, if you have specific questions in mind, you can put them in the comments below and or send them through my contact page. And I'll sure respond ASAP. It's high time. High time. You can start making your money work hard for you, for it. Have fun investing and learn more about this site. So, all credits to this site. Thank you and have fun watching with me. Bye guys!